According to a media report, Russia's Su-75 financial model seems to be based on the order-to-build production methodology, under which customers will have to pay the bill for its development, and then place an order for the fighter jet, and they still won't own the intellectual property of the aircraft that was financed by them. Transfer of technology might be offered to countries that might have local aerospace companies for local production, but these fighters might cost more, since Russia will continue to maintain the exclusive supply chain, and spares and components ecosystem will be with Russia. That will make the operators forever dependent on Russia for its maintenance and upgrades. The director of Russia's Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation has said that Russia has offered its IL-112VE light military transport aircraft to many partner countries including India. The IL-112VE is equipped with new Klimov TV7-117 higher power turboprop engines that are more fuel efficient, that can be controlled by a single automatic control system, which increases flight safety and provides good takeoff and landing performance even from short runways. The IL-112VE is of the same class as the Airbus C-295 multi-role transport aircraft that was cleared by the Indian Air Force and Indian Coast Guard in 2015, but the $3.15 billion deal with Airbus and Tata Advanced Systems Limited for 62 aircraft has been pending due to budgetary issues. Russia has unveiled a new variant of the Ka-226 helicopter that is intended to be sold to India under the 2015 agreement. The helicopter has been named Climber because of its ability to operate at altitudes of up to 6,500 meters, and this new modified twin-engine utility helicopter is heading for test flights in the coming months. The Vice Chief of Indian Army Lieutenant General C.P. Mohanty made a two-day visit to Bengaluru, where he reviewed the progress made by the helicopter division of Hindustan Aeronautics on the light combat helicopter and the IMRH program. He also visited the facility of Larsen & Toubro Limited, and was briefed on unmanned ground systems, avionics and other projects. He also interacted with representatives of the Tata Advanced Systems and Bharat Electronics Limited, and was briefed about the Akash missile system, tactical communication and encryption devices, as well as the progress being made in electronics, optronics and ammunition related to artillery guns. The Indian Army has completed the ARMEX 21 skiing expedition that was launched on 10th March, under which the Army carried out operational reconnaissance along the northern borders with China, and also conducted research studies to publicize and consolidate India's legitimate territorial claims in areas along the 3,488 km line of actual control with China. INS Kolkata, the lead ship of the Kolkata-class stealth-guided missile destroyers of the Indian Navy, has won the Best Ship Trophy from the Western Naval Command at the Fleet Awards Ceremony 2021. INS Kolkata is armed with 32 Barak 8 missiles and 16 BrahMos anti-ship and land attack missiles, and it was officially commissioned by Prime Minister Modi in a ceremony held on 16 August 2014. After a Pakistani drone carrying 5 kg improvised explosive device was shot down near Jammu yesterday, the Border Security Force has asked the DRDO to bring the prototype anti-drone system to the Jammu and Punjab sectors for testing under real conditions. Bharat Electronics Limited and 3 private Indian companies have already signed transfer of technology agreements with the government agency to mass-produce the system. The Indian Navy has declared a no-fly zone around its installations and naval assets in West Bengal for non-conventional aerial objects, drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, and all individuals or civil agencies are prohibited from flying any such non-conventional aerial objects within these zones. Indian Armed Forces will be participating in the 14-day-long Zapad 2021 exercise that will be held in Russia from 3rd September. that will see the participation of 17 countries including China, Pakistan and Armenia. The Zapad 2021 is a part of the annual series of large-scale exercises that serve as a capstone to the Russian Armed Forces annual training cycle. Foreign Minister of Maldives has said that some elements from the previous China-backed regime are running an anti-India campaign in Maldives. He also said that these elements are in a minority and dissatisfied with the large projects that are underway with assistance from India, and they are doing it for their selfish political interest. He also said that the previous government has taken a lot of development loans from China, and the repayment was a challenge during the lockdown.
Omar dropped it.